Good day, friends. Derek, that ADU guy here. Gil just designed and built this beautiful ADU behind him. Tell us what you got, Gil.
950 square foot ADU, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths.
And as like a pioneering builder and developer in our area, why do you love ADUs?
I don't know if the easy way, but it's a good way to use your space if you have it and get some income.
What do you do? What kind of things do you do to keep these really high efficient?
We use usually spray foam in the roof, the ceilings. We use loose fill instead of butts for insulation. Trying to make sure all the penetrations are sealed and caulked, and just paying attention to some simple details.
Awesome. This is a single family house, and this was just the backyard previously, correct?
There used to be, before that, a building that probably was destroyed maybe 20 or 30 years ago. It was like a garage with some kind of a shop in it. And this basically, we put it in the same space that shop was there before.
Well, we're going to take everybody inside this beautiful new ADU that Gil just finished up. Super high ceilings. He uses a double shed roof, and there's some 4010 picture windows up there, side-by-side skylights, beautiful open concept kitchen, European style cabinets, granite countertop, stainless steel appliances, full-size fridge. Rarely would you see a full-size fridge in an ADU. One of my favorite design concepts here is the vault is carried into each room. So 412 shed roof, 8-foot doors in every opening. There's also a bathroom in each bedroom. So tile flooring, glass doors into the shower. Big 8-foot doors, like I said. The tall ceilings, I don't think the video does it justice, but tall ceilings really make this place feel a lot bigger than it is. And at 1,000 square foot, this is a large, what I would consider a large ADU, but the light colors, tall ceilings, 8-foot doors make it feel even bigger. Full walk-in laundry room, tile floors. This is a custom LVP flooring with a lime core that he actually sources and specs himself. Like the fans up here. Mini split in each room. Large windows overlooking the southern edge of the property. 2 bedroom, 2 full bath ADU. Gil is the designer and the builder. Gil, this is a beautiful ADU. Tell me your favorite aspect of this one.
I like the heights, I like the lights, I like the 8-foot doors. That makes it look so much more luxurious. And the kitchen, it's a full-size kitchen, really nice and very durable. Everything in this project is very durable, from the floor, from the cabinets, from the granite counters. It's a nice unit.
And do you have any idea of approximate cost if somebody wanted to have you build one of these for them?
I do not build this kind for other people, but I would say that you could build it probably for 150. It's all depend on a lot of things, but 150 square foot, maybe 150,000, you could build a unit like that.
Oh, that's wonderful.
You could also do it for less. It's all depend how much you're doing, you know.
3 things that affect the price of your ADU that I always harp on. 1 is going to be to start with a simple design. 2 is going to be to self-manage the project. And 3, like Gil just said, do as much of the work as you possibly can yourself if you want to save more money. Hope everybody's having a good day, and this video brings you value and gives you some good ideas. You can like and subscribe if you'd like, but more than anything, start planning your ADU today.